United Community Bank is proud to offer P2P or person-to-person payment available through our digital banking platform. You'll love the convenience of sending money instantly to friends and family through their bank debit card. Whether you're sending money to your college student, splitting your friend's birthday gift, or just splitting lunch, payback is simple with our free P2P service available from any UCB checking account. To get started, sign into your UCB digital banking either through our website ucbankmn.com or through the mobile app as shown here. Open the side menu and select Move Money. Next, select New Transaction. Choose an account to send money from, and then select Add New Payee at the bottom. Here we'll choose Person to Person. Here is where you will set up your payee's information. If your friend is with you, you may choose to hand the phone to them to enter their debit card number. Or you can simply send them an invite link so they can enter their number on their own device, like we will do in this example. Now enter an amount, how you'd like the payee to be notified, and a note if you'd like. Please take time to review transfer details before submitting, as P2P transactions cannot be edited or canceled after being sent. Here you can see the $10 transaction I just sent now shows up under my scheduled transfers. Now let's look at how to receive money. The recipient will be notified via the method you chose. In this example, the recipient received a text notification requesting them to enter their information, as well as let them know how much they will be receiving. They will click the link and enter their information. Funds will need to be received on a U.S. bank debit card. Your recipient can rest assured you will never see their card number and is safely stored using data encryption. After hitting Submit, they will see a confirmation screen like this. Once you send money and have your payee information established, sending money subsequent times is even quicker. Your friend will get an email or text letting them know you just sent them money. Funds are sent instantly from your UCB account, but receiving time may depend on the recipient bank's policies. For more details, visit our website ucbankmn.com or call 218-346-5700.